How to turn your Facebook page into a profitable business. Facebook is the world's largest social network, with over 2.8 billion monthly active users. Facebook pages are a great way to build your brand and engage with your customers. But did you know that you can also use your Facebook page to turn your business into a profitable venture? In this video, we'll go over some key strategies to help you do just that. Know your audience. The first step to turning your Facebook page into a profitable business is to know your audience. You need to understand who your target market is, what their needs and wants are, and how you can meet those needs through your products or services. This information will help you create content that resonates with your audience and drives engagement. Build a strong brand. Your brand is your identity on Facebook, and it's essential to have a strong one if you want to turn your page into a profitable business. Your brand should be consistent across all of your social media channels and should reflect your business's values, mission, and personality. Use high-quality images, videos, and graphics to make your brand stand out and be memorable. Post engaging content. The key to building a successful Facebook page is to post engaging content that your followers will want to share and interact with. This can include anything from blog posts and videos to polls and quizzes. The more engaging your content, the more likely your followers will be to share it, which will help increase your page's visibility and reach. Use Facebook ads. Facebook ads are a powerful tool for reaching new customers and driving sales. You can use them to target specific demographics, interests, and behaviors, ensuring that your ads are seen by the people most likely to be interested in your products or services. Experiment with different ad formats, such as carousel ads, video ads, and sponsored posts, to see what works best for your business. Build an email list. Email marketing is still one of the most effective ways to reach customers and drive sales. Use your Facebook page to build your email list by offering exclusive content or discounts to your followers in exchange for their email addresses. Then, use email marketing to stay in touch with your customers, share new products or promotions, and build relationships that can lead to repeat business. Offer exclusive promotions. Offering exclusive promotions to your Facebook followers is a great way to incentivize engagement and drive sales. Consider offering discounts, freebies, or early access to new products or services to your followers, and promote these offers through your Facebook page. This can help create a sense of urgency and excitement among your followers, which can lead to increased sales and revenue. Use Facebook Messenger. Facebook Messenger is a powerful tool for building relationships with your customers and driving sales. You can use Messenger to offer customer support, answer questions, and even take orders directly through the platform. Use automated chatbots to handle common inquiries, and have a dedicated customer service team ready to respond to more complex issues. Monitor your analytics. Finally, it's essential to monitor your Facebook page's analytics to understand what's working and what's not. Use Facebook Insights to track your page's performance, including engagement rates, reach, and audience demographics. Use this information to make data-driven decisions about your content strategy and ad targeting, and adjust your approach as needed to drive maximum results. In conclusion, turning your Facebook page into a profitable business takes time, effort, and a well-planned strategy. By understanding your audience, building a strong brand, posting engaging content, using Facebook ads, building an email list, offering exclusive promotions, using Facebook Messenger, and monitoring your analytics, you can turn your page into a powerful tool for growing your business and driving sales. Monitor your competitors. Another way to understand your audience is to monitor your competitors. Look at what they are posting on their Facebook pages and how their followers are engaging with their content. This can give you insights into what types of content your audience is interested in, and how you can differentiate yourself from your competitors. Engage with your followers. Engaging with your followers is an excellent way to get to know your audience and build relationships with them. Respond to comments and messages promptly, ask for feedback on your products or services, and encourage your followers to share their opinions and ideas. This can help you understand your audience's needs and preferences and tailor your content to better meet those needs. Use customer personas. Customer personas are fictional representations of your ideal customers, based on real data and insights. Use customer personas to create content that speaks directly to your target market and addresses their unique needs and pain points. This can help you create more personalized and targeted content that resonates with your audience. Listen to feedback. Finally, it's important to listen to feedback from your audience. Whether it's positive or negative, feedback can help you understand what your audience likes and dislikes about your products or services. Use feedback to make improvements to your offerings and create content that better meets your audience's needs. In conclusion, knowing your audience is essential to building a successful Facebook page and turning your business into a profitable venture. Use market research, Facebook insights, competitor analysis, engagement, customer personas, A/B testing, and feedback to gain insights into your audience's needs, preferences, and behaviors. Use this information to create content that resonates with your audience and drives engagement and sales.